In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Hostinger's hPanel. Whether you're a new user or just need the interface in another language, this quick guide will get you set up in your preferred language in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're on the login page, simply enter your credentials as you normally would. If you're new and unsure how to get to the login page, just head over to the main Hostinger website and look for the login button at the top. Once you're logged into hPanel, direct your eyes to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon, which looks like a small person avatar. This is your gateway to personal settings and customization options. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, take a moment to find the option labeled Language. Depending on your current settings, it might display the name of the current language you've been using. Once you've identified it, go ahead and click it. You'll now be taken to a list showcasing all the languages Hostinger supports. It's quite a range, so whatever your preferred language might be it English, Spanish, Thai, or many others, you're likely to find it there. Scroll through and select the language that suits you best. A simple click on the desired language will suffice. After you've made your selection, the hPanel interface will automatically refresh. This means everything will now be displayed in the language you chose, making it much easier for you to navigate in your preferred language setting. You don't even need to log out or restart, which makes this process hassle-free and incredibly efficient. There you have it. You've successfully changed the language in Hostinger's hPanel. It's a straightforward process, but it makes a world of difference if you're more comfortable using the service in another language. This feature is especially helpful for those who are managing websites in different regions or languages, ensuring you have a seamless experience no matter where you are. Thank you for watching this video on changing the language in Hostinger. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like, share, or comment below with any questions you might have. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and happy hosting with Hostinger in your new language environment.